Hello everyone, myself Priyanka and I welcome you all once again to my session. Let's go through our question. Describe an activity to show the colors of white light spattered by a glass prism can be recombined to get the white light by another glass prism. Also draw the ray diagram to show the recombination of the spectrum of the white light. So here in this question, I have already drawn the ray diagram. So what we'll do is that we'll try to understand what is actually happening in this experiment. So as per this experiment, we're going to take two glass prisms. One is P1 and the other is P2. However, please note that we are going to keep the other prism P2 upside down with respect to the first one P1. Now we are going to allow a beam of white light to fall on this prism P1. The first prism splits the white light into the 7 components. When these colors fall on the inverted prism, it recombines all the colors into white light, which can be obtained on the screen. So here we can see that how the dispersion and then the recombination of the light is taking place. So thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye.